Have you ever caught yourself staring at the chart, not knowing whether it was time to buy or sell? How many times have you entered a trade full of doubts, only to watch the market go exactly in the opposite direction? What if I told you there's a tool that can clearly show you where the best entry points are, when the price is about to reverse, and even the strength behind those moves? Today I'm going to reveal the secret of professional traders to you, which is the support and resistance power channel indicator. This indicator not only shows you the support and resistance levels, but also tells you how strong they are and even gives clear reversal signals. Curious yet? Then hit play and come with me, because you're about to discover how to transform your technical analysis once and for all. So let's break down this amazing indicator piece by piece. The first thing you need to do is open TradingView, pick your favorite chart, and choose any time frame you like. Click on the Indicators tab, search for Support and Resistance channel, and select the Chart Prime option. Once you've done that, the indicator will appear on your screen. So how does the indicator actually work? The pink area up here at the top is your sell zone, where sellers usually take control. And the green area down here is the buyer's zone, where they dominate and step in. But here's the genius part. The indicator not only shows where these zones are, but also how strong they are. You can see this by the buy power or sell power indication and a number next to it. This number shows how many candles have already touched the region and reversed. In other words, for sell power, how many red candles, and for buy power, how many green candles touched and reversed. The higher the number, the stronger that region becomes. In this case here, we can see buy power at 70 and sell power at 59, meaning the buying strength at the bottom is greater. It also marks an X at the lowest point within the zone that the price reached, or the highest point the price reached within the zone, in the case of resistance. It also has a gray line running through the middle here, which shows exactly the center of the channel. The price tends to repeatedly seek out the center of this channel. And it also has diamonds, both at the top and at the bottom, and they appear with a slight delay after the price touches the region. And they will only show up if there is really a high chance that the price will go up or down. That's why it helps avoid false signals in your trades. Now that you already know the indicator and all its peculiarities, I'm going to show you how you can trade like a professional using it. In the case of a buy, you wait for the price to enter the buy zone. The buy power is above 50. You need to confirm the entry only when the diamond appears indicating a reversal. And then you enter from there, placing your stop just below the channel and your target at the midline. In other words, here you made a gain of 0.41% and had a risk of 0.28. Notice in this other case, the diamond appears on this green candle, so you would enter from there, setting a stop of 0.48% and aiming for a target of 0.25%. Or you could even extend your target up to the upper zone of the indicator, giving you an even greater return, in this case 0.75%. For a sell, it's the same thing, just the opposite. You'll wait for the price to move up and reach the sell power zone, which is above 50, and then wait for the diamond to appear indicating a reversal. Then you make your entry, either aiming for the bottom of the channel, which in this case would give you a return of 0.71%, or aiming for the middle of the channel, with a return of 0.18%. And your stop loss would be set a little above the channel at 0.47%. Right here while we're talking, a new signal has just appeared. Notice that the price has entered the sell power zone. It's still above 50, and the diamond has appeared here. So our entry would be right on this candle here, setting our stop a little above the zone at 0.26, and aiming for the central line, which would give us a return of 0.41%. This sell here is one we could actually make in practice. And let me give you a little insider tip now. You're going to come here to the indicators, type in RSI, click on RSI, and now you'll only enter when one thing lines up with the other. Notice that for this entry, the RSI is overbought, and it also signaled a reversal here on the support and resistance indicator, showing a strong tendency for the price to go for the central line. In the same way, at this point here, when it also touched the sell power area, it signaled a reversal. The price was oversold on the RSI. Remember, never trade using just one indicator. Look for support from moving averages, volume, candlestick patterns, and even price action. The takeaway is that this support and resistance indicator, which also shows you the zones and their strength, and even indicates when the price really has a higher probability of reversing, is an excellent indicator. However, you shouldn't use it alone, but rather together with price action, Elliott waves, candlestick patterns, and much more. Also remember that this video is not an investment recommendation. This video is for educational and informational purposes only, to show my perspective on the chart and how I use these analyses to help me in my daily routine. You should not simply copy what I do. Always seek out a licensed investment professional. And if you want more content like this, don't forget to leave a like, it really helps the channel, and subscribe because there will be new videos every week. Also, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on the best trades. Share in the comments, have you ever used this indicator? Are you going to use it? What was your experience like? See you in the next video, and happy trading!